This week so far, I've fielded calls from 6 different school districts, and each call was the same. We're not going to be able to get product from our current charging cart supplier before the end of August. And by that time, school starts. And we know from last year, it was really tough. It was tough on our kids, it was tough on school teachers, it was tough on administrators and the IT professionals that take care of all of them. What do we want for our kids this year when they return to in-person learning? We want them to come back into happy buildings with all the tools and supplies they need to be productive from the get-go. So at Bretford, what have we done? In the last 2 months, we said let's ramp up production. We want to have all product ready to go when the school districts need them so that they're ready when those kids run through that door on the first day. So 6 days a week, 2 shifts, we've been producing product as fast as we possibly can. When you're thinking about getting ready for the school year and you know you need a charging cart before school starts, 1, buy Bretford, 2, buy American, and 3, for the kids' sake, order early.